Hello everyone. Today I'm recording my project work regarding computer networks. That's one of my class I'm taking this semester, and I have course syllabus. Then when you click on it, you get this page. So basically, the project one I will be working on right now. What is project one? Project one, it's about building your own network, and I prefer to do it in a classroom. I will be building a network in a classroom. So according to create my own network, I need to follow the steps. I did some research, and I have 5 steps to follow up. So uh, let's go here. So basically, first of all, I had to decide to understand the step one. I had to decide to understand the types of the network diagrams. So I had options: basic network, physical network, logical network, a hybrid network diagram. So I prefer to do it with basic network diagrams since I'm also kind of beginner. So second, discern the purpose of my network diagram. What is the purpose of doing that? The main purpose network diagrams serve is to give insights about how the different components in a network work together. So a secondary purpose on these network diagrams, which is natural result of being able to see how everything works in the network system together. And step 3, decide what level of the detail on the network diagram will be used. So basically, I have modem, I have wireless networks, I have actually wireless I won't be using, I will be using the cable one. So all network devices as routers, firewall, switches, at the same time printer, maybe some digital cell phones or fax. So and applications, IP addresses, these are the component of the network diagram needs. And step 4, ways to draw network diagrams. To create a network diagram, I will want to establish a hierarchy of levels. So basically, is it going to be multiple buildings or just one, multiple classrooms, or how it's going to be? So basically, I prefer to make it simple just for now, just a classroom. So basically, step 4 will be only one classroom. And step 5, methods. So basically, how I am creating my network diagram, I have 2 options. One of them is creating a network diagrams by hand, the other one using software. So I did research again. I mean, actually, it's better to draw your diagram first by hand on the paper, like a scratch paper, but later on using the softwares are much more easier, and you do understand much better. That's why I prefer to go with the software. And I did some search. I have one of the software is free online, Lucid Chart. So this is really good one because it has lots of icons, so you can use. And the other one I prefer to go at this time, app.creately.com. This is also helpful. So as you see, my icons are ready, modems, and then the server, printer, everything ready right now. So let's start with clouds. First of all, I want to describe also what are these. The clouds is cloud computing is the delivering the computing services to the building and then after that it goes to different server or the port. So basically, let me put this one here. You can put it anywhere because you're just drawing. And then after that, let's put ISP. ISP is Internet Service Provider. So basically it can be commercial, it can be business, commercial and business, it's same thing actually. So it can be home, residential. So I prefer to put commercial. Let's say I have a rental commercial and I create a classroom, I'm doing the tutorial, then I need a network in the classroom. So then I'm putting my router on this nearby the ISP. Then I'm putting my server also. The server also, it's must. And then modem, the router I already put it. This is my switch. Modem also, same thing I guess. Then computers, you can put like this way anywhere. And then this is my printer. Can use that one. And there is a cell phone. So let's put cell phone here. So basically this is the shape. So now it's time to connect them with the it's going to be like this way. Hopefully it works this time. I did a couple practice. There you go. It's not bad. So I may guess like this. Yeah. God. Okay. That's fine. No, that's something we don't do that. Okay, here. What does this do? Okay, yeah. What if I prefer that? Okay. So, I use the arrow, but it's supposed to be the other one. It's okay. Okay, next is from here to the router. Yep. And from router to the from here it is messing up. Anyway, that one. Yep. And then from router to the switch. This is 6-port switch. I will name them soon. I will type the names. Then goes here. Okay. Then this is printer. The printer, the written you need or the shapes. So you just get a hard copy. So basically you could be even getting that with color, so that's why you use the printer. And the cell phone or anything like the PDA, actually we call this type of the materials PDA. For it may be fax, it may be phone, it may be something personal digital assistant. PDA is the fourth saying of it. There we go. And then use these through the computers. Can use that one. And then another one. And use this one. So basically I have created my own network for the small classroom, and I can name them as with this one.